Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. Today my topic is 7 impressive benefits of white tea. So what is white tea? White tea is one of the treasure of the tea world. It is minimally processed tea which is made mainly from the unopened buds of the tea plant. So it is actually white string. It has white string, that's why the name is given like white tea. So it is derived from Camellia sinensis found in Fujian province in China. So traditional methods are followed for processing of tea. To make white tea, the leaves are only withered. See, the leaves are only withered. These are the leaves of the white tea. The leaves are only withered and lightly rolled. খুবই delicate থাকে এই buds গুলো. And picking up procedure খুবই carefully করতে হয়. That's why this beverage is extremely light and pale colored or blushed tones and very yummy flavor with floral and fruity flavor. That is very tasty. অনেকেই আছেন যারা green tea খেতে পারেন না because একটু তিতা লাগে, bitter লাগে. You can try this white tea. This is a very yummy beverage. So there are two types of white tea, silver needle white tea and white peony. White tea is packed with antioxidants which makes it an incredibly healthy tea. Light and yummy beverage can improve your heart, liver, kidneys, skin and more. Good for this is very good for your heart. So there are evidence-based benefits. I am going to tell you about 7 benefits. Number 1, this white tea helps in weight loss. So it helps burn fat cells and prevent the formation of new cells. And it contains antioxidants which fight free radicals and other impurities to promote healthy and speedy weight loss. It also aids in metabolism to contribute burning fat. So jara weight loss করতে চান, আমরা সবাই আসলে অনেকেই weight loss করতে চাই. So we have some plan. So beside following the balanced diet, healthy diet, doing exercise, you can also try this white tea to reduce your weight because it reduces water retention. So it can help in reducing weight and also it may help lower bad cholesterol. So research is going on about white tea. আমরা আসলে এটা white tea অতটা কমন না, আমরা কম জানি কারণ রিসার্চ কম হয়েছে. Still scientists are working on it. It has almost same benefits as green tea. So in some cases দু একটা একটু বেশিও ভালো বেনিফিটস আছে কিন্তু এই যে হোয়াইট টি, কিন্তু যেহেতু একটু এক্সপেন্সিভ টি সেজন্য আসলে এটা নিয়ে কম বলা হচ্ছে, কম কথা হচ্ছে. বাট ইট ইজ extraordinary tea. You can try this. So number 2, it increases energy and alertness. So low on caffeine hydrates you and aids a more sustainable increase in your energy. So etate ki thake L-theanine which increases alertness so you can work, exercise or study well. Number 3, helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation to ashole shobarই হতে পারে. It is very common. That's why this white tea, it contains catechins which promote muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. It also reduces the risk of fibrosis which is caused due to muscle injury. So আপনি যদি just 1 cup of white tea খান after a workout, তার সাথে একটা যদি মিল্ক শেক খান বা প্রোটিন শেক খান, so it can give wonders, it can do wonders. Number 4, it is good for digestion. আপনি যদি এই যে হোয়াইট টিটা আফটার ইচ মিল প্রতিটা মিলের পরপরই খান, it can help in digestion process. It can give relief from constipation. It contains polyphenols and catechins, help the body flush out the toxin. আমাদের বডিতে ডিফারেন্ট যে মেটাবলিক রিঅ্যাকশনস হয় এই জন্য কিন্তু অনেক টক্সিক সাবস্টেন্সেস প্রডিউসড হয়. এই টক্সিকগুলো ফ্লাশ আউট করতে কিন্তু এই হোয়াইট টিটা খুবই হেল্পফুল. সো নাম্বার 5, গুড ফর ইয়োর হার্ট. এটা কিন্তু অনেক অনেক বেশি হেল্পফুল হার্ট হেলথের জন্য দিস হোয়াইট টি. antioxidants থাকে which promote heart health by regulating your blood pressure and improving blood vessel function, can make your blood thinner, and it can exert anti-cancer effects. So this is very, very good for overall heart and preventing cancer also sometimes. So number 6, it is good for your skin and hair. So it can help preventing, eliminate free radicals, so help reduce any sign of premature aging. Anti-inflammatory products can help reduce redness of your skin and good for your hair. If you want a glowing skin, you can try this white tea. Then last one, number 7, it can kill germs. So it is more effective than green tea in some cases. So I'm telling you why what is the reason. Dr. Milton, he is a microbiologist, PhD. He said that he has done actually experiment by using white tea extract and green tea extract. He has found that white tea extract can prevent the germs which cause diseases, can in vitro the organism that cause diseases, can kill the germs easily, even in some cases than green tea. উনি দুইটারই এক্সট্রাক্ট নিয়ে কাজ করেছেন, গ্রিন টি নিয়েও কাজ করেছেন, হোয়াইট টি নিয়েও কাজ করেছেন. সো হি হ্যাজ প্রুভড দ্যাট the white tea is much better in killing germs. So white tea also can protect your teeth by killing bacteria. এটা কিন্তু proved. This is proved one. So now I want to tell you, when can I have this white tea? কখন আমরা খেতে পারি? What is the best time to drink this tea? During morning you can have this tea and after each meal. But remember, don't consume more than 3 cups in a day. So 3 cups maximum a day is okay for you. And how we can prepare white tea, right? So you can take 2 teaspoons of white tea, 2 teaspoons of white tea in a cup, 2 spoons of white tea in a cup. Then add hot water with it. And remember, don't use too much boiled water here. You can just boil water up to 170 to 185 degree Fahrenheit. Then add that boiled water or hot water into it after making it little bit cool down. That means আপনি যখন চা বানাবেন, আপনি এই চায়ের জন্য ফার্স্টে আপনি এটাকে হিট করতে পারবেন না, বিকজ ইট ইজ ভেরি ডেলিকেট. সি দ্য স্ট্রিংস আর ভেরি ডেলিকেট, দি লিভস আর ভেরি ডেলিকেট. দ্যাটস ওয়াই you need to take 2 spoons of white tea leaves here, and then add hot water with it. Don't boil it, because if you boil it, it will destroy the leaves. So after that you can enjoy this white tea. This is so much delicious and so many health benefits. And at the end, I want to say that white tea is a great addition to your diet and it is easy to prepare. You can have cold one, you can have hot one, whatever you like. So it is very much refreshing and you can enjoy anytime you like, but not more than 3 times a day. It is also low in caffeine, so it is a perfect cup of tea for all.